Pag naglabas ako, buong-buo kong bibigay sarili ko. Which means, He is working through me, for me, and with me. Pag buong-buo ka, takot ka bang maiwanan? No. We need to teach ourselves to create boundaries. Huwag niyong husgahan ng isang bagay nang hindi niyo pang alam. How would you know what you want if you're not even open to brand new experiences? Kaya siguro takot ka maubusan ngayon kasi wala kang itinanim. Puro ka kuha. And the only solution to money is to start nurturing and growing yourself. Mahirap, madali. Excited ba kayo? Ask me why. Mahirap ba ang extreme self-care? Mahirap ba alagaan ang sarili? Thank you, honest kayo. Kasi sanay tayong alagaan yung ibang tao. Hanggang ubos ka na said ka na. Isang text lang, hihingan ka, uutang ka na naman para mabigyan mo. Bato-bato sa langit, magbago na. Hindi, sa totoo lang, saan ka pupulutin? If you don't start with this. So as early as now, I'm gonna give you the formula. But the bigger question is, will you do the formula? Formula number 1, good night rest. This is the most important part, and for me, the best part. To wake up the same day, the same time every day. Can I share mine? Today, 3:00 gising na ako. I'm giving 3 to 4 hours all for me. Kaya pag naglabas ako, buong-buo kong bibigay sarili ko. Sino dito, hindi ko kayo kilala, nag-approach kayo sa akin at sinagot kayo personally? Raise your hand sa messenger. Yung bang sagot ko, thumbs up lang, pa-smile, totoong sagot. Tapos feeling mo special ka? Hindi, libo-libo po ang kausap ko. Ask me why. Kusang umaawas. Nagbibigay ako hindi said, hindi ubos, kusang umaawas. Ask me how. 3, 4 hours all for me every day. But the most important part, as early as now, I'm gonna tell you, hihimatayin ka pag narinig mo to, pero God, if you practice this, I'll guarantee you, give it 2 years, 3 years, yung buhay mo 10x all aspect. Okay ba yon? 1 hour a day meditation or more. You know anong effect sa akin ng 1 hour a day meditation? By October, magsi 6 years na ako, wala pa akong na-miss na isang araw. Palakpakan nyo naman. Saan yung mga staffing team? Paano kumain si Coach Ras? Halimaw or patipid-tipid? Halimaw. I don't work out. I don't do my cardio. But my body is in full alignment of how I want it to be. Okay ba yan? You know what's the best part? Hindi ako naghahanap ng pera, hinahabol ako ng pera. Ask me why. My 1 hour or more meditation early in the morning is my direct access to my source. Which means He is working through me, for me, and with me. I don't have to work hard, but willing ka ba to set aside 1 hour of what I call stillness, equivalent to 23 hours of abundance. Willing ka ba? We will see. Sige nga, sino dito yung, since ako naman muna, season 1, nag-practice ng 1 hour or more meditation, tayo kayo. Right? Ito maraming kwento. Okay lang ba makinig tayo ng konting kwento? Even your first week, just continue standing, even your first week, what happened? Physical, illness, healed, even money is running after you. Aris, go ahead.
When I first joined, ako naman muna, actually, hindi ko pa talaga alam kung ano yon. And then, it's all started. Nag-start po ako ng meditation. That was January 27. 1 hour meditation, 3 days after. Ang ganda nung feeling ko. Yung energy ko, full packs talaga siya ng whole day. Kahit yung tulog ko 4 hours, yung energy ko, kahit nasa work ako, kahit pagod at stress, sobrang energetic ko. Actually, before, sakitin talaga ako. So, lagi akong nagpapadoktor, like, alos every 3 months. Sabi ng doktor ko, oh, nandito ka na naman. Sabi niya, sabi ko, yes, doc, kasi may sakit na naman ako. Sabi niya, oh, halika dito, ititreat kita. Sabi niya, lagi ka na lang nagkakasakit. Sabi ko, opo Dok, kasi sobrang pagod at stress ko sa work. Then after nito, hindi na po ako nagkakasakit. Yun po talaga siya. And then, tinutinews ko po yung meditation ko, which is the help of yung mga mentors namin. Kasamaan ko po sa may Ako Naman Muna. 1 hour meditation a day, sobrang laking tulong po siya. Even my personal growth and yung belief ko sa family ko, mga relationship ko, laging alignment sa friends ko. Even my friends are here. Ko talaga sila, in-invite myself. Sabi ko, itry nyo to. And then, ayun, thank God at nag-attend po talaga sila. So, thank you po sa lahat ng nag-attend. And thank you po, Coach Ras. Love you po.
Thank you. Palakpakan natin. Expiring. Can I go biblical around this? Yes or no? Seek ye first. Ibig sabihin, unahin mo siya pagkagising mo. Sino dito honest na pagkagising mo, cellphone ka agad inuuna mo? Oh, you make your cellphone your God. Tapos uminit ng ulo mo kasi inaway yung kandidato mo. Tapos yung kaaway mo nag-post ng mga yabang niya. Kung hindi man cellphone ang inuna mo, yung anak mo, ginawa mo siyang Diyos. Baka yung asawa mo, baka yung trabaho mo, baka yung kusina mo, inuna mo, unahin mo siya. At sabi din, all of these things. Anong sabi? Sinabi bang some? All. When I say all, lahat. People can buy the most expensive bed, but you can never buy sleep. People can buy companions, but you can never buy friends. People can buy the most expensive house, but you can never buy a home. When I say all, tangible and intangible will be added unto you. Unahin mo siya. That's theology. In science, your neuroplasticity, rewiring of your programming of the old self becomes new. Which means you need to change your personality because your personality becomes your personal reality. And if we don't start working on our personality, your personal reality will always be the same. Gapang pa rin, pagod pa rin, lagi pa rin kulang. Ask me why. You don't make Him your first. In psychology, pag buong-buo ka, takot ka bang mawalan? Pag buong-buo ka, takot ka bang maiwanan? No. That's the science, that's the psychology, that's the theology behind it. And the only instruction here is be still. Know that I am. Kaso lang, hinuhuli siya. May kilala ko yung may mga sakit. Anong unang pupuntahan? Doktor. Pinuntahan lahat ng doktor, hindi gumaling. Anong next pinuntahan? Mananambal. Luwa. Naan pa, oh. Diba? Nagkuha pa ng mga snake oil. Tapos hindi na gumaling. Anong pinuntahan? Huling-huli. Sabi ni Lord, gago ka. Hinuhuli mo ako eh. No, seriously. This is a day-to-day thing that I practice, that I'm telling you to go for it. I'm not selling anything here. But if there's a way for me to let you know that the only solution to health problem is to take care of yourself. The only solution to every relationship problem is to take care of yourself. And the only solution to money is to start nurturing and growing yourself. Mahirap, madali. Mahirap kasi hindi tayo sanay. Pero pag nasanay tayo, naging second nature yan, oh my God, the life that you've always dreamed about is just so accessible, ready for you to receive. And aren't you glad? Ang simple lang ng solusyon sa buhay, and yet we don't want to do it. Why? We're so used. Others first. Before me. Hindi ko sinasabing masama. Pero nagiging masama siya kung said ka na, ubos ka na, uuwi ka sama ng loob. Ultimo pang gasolina, ikaw na nga bumili ng sasakyan, pati pang gasolina, ikaw pa. Can you relate? Nagpatayo na ng tindahan, binigyan ng puhunan, pating inventory, ikaw pa rin. Tama na. We need to teach ourselves to create boundaries. But we need to teach ourselves to trust that people at home are also capable. Bakit pag hindi ka nag-abot, mamamatay sila or mabubuhay pa rin? O hambugira ka. Ikaw lang ang hero, sila din magaling. Kaso lang, inako mo lahat. Yan problema nating Pinoy eh. Baon na sa utang, halabira pa rin. Marami sa inyo, alam ko, 20, 30, 40 years, hindi pa rin makauwi. Kasi hindi nuna yung sa isa, really. Masarap kayo magbigay pag umaapaw na. Kaso lang, paano aapaw yan? Kulang pa nga. Are you with me? That's number 1. Number 2 is what we call max out your day. Bigay mong todo-todo yung buong araw mo. Which is the moment you wake up all the way till you sleep, you have to stay productive. A lot of times, we make our life about what? Pagkagising, alarm clock, maliligo, kakain, trabaho, uuwi, manood ng TV, matulog. Paulit-ulit na cycle. Yes or yes? Busy, pero hindi productive. How do we know busy, hindi productive? Base sa kitaan. But if you want your income to expand, to grow, at never kang matakot maubusan, ask me how. Max out your day, making sure that you focus your day to letter A, growth. Growth here starts with knowledge. Kailangan marami kang bagong alam, especially right now, AI na po tayo. Kung hindi ka pa rin naka-AI, ewan ko na lang saan ka pupulutin. But don't just learn about it. Number 2, what we call skills. Dapat meron kang bagong kakayanan. Especially right now, in the digital age, in the AI world, hindi pwedeng hindi ka marunong. Hindi pwedeng iasa yan sa anak mo. Aralin mo. Kasi yung AI, hindi ka papalitan yan. Papalitan ka lang ng taong magaling sa AI. Daming libre ha. Never ako umattend ng seminar. Never ako nagbayad ng seminar. Ang daming libreng mga content about AI. Inaral ko, inilaman ko. Boom, boom, boom. 10x ang income ko when I learned about ChatGPT. Kung alam nyo lang siyang gawing skills. Part of your growth is to open yourself to experiences. Sino dito first time umattend ng ganitong klaseng seminar? Raise your hand. Oh, this is a brand new experience. Huwag niyong husgahan ng isang bagay nang hindi nyo pang alam. Yan, pupunta ng ibang bansa, first time nag-Europe. Ano nga hanapin? Jollibee. Ano ba? Open yourself to brand new experiences. How would you know what you want if you're not even open to brand new experiences? Madaming pwede nating paglaruan. Kaso lang, nakafocus ka sa anong alam mo sa mundong nagbago na. Sino dito gusto mo kumikita ka at least 7-8 figures weekly? Ayan. Ay, ayaw nyo. Kailangan may energy. Woo! Ask me how. Knowledge, skills, experience is not enough. You need to leverage, and that was called leadership. You know, ito lang puhunan ko, no? Ako po'y galing sa isang working class na pamilya. Anong ibig sabihin? Yung magulang ko, walang negosyo. Dentist po ang tatay ko. Ang nanay ko po is nasa bahay lang. Pero right now, I own 16 companies. Kumikita ng bilyon-bilyon. In fact, one of my company, no, lahat ng employee namin, isasama namin sa Hong Kong. Ask me how. Wala akong ibang ginawa kung hindi pagalingin yung sarili ko hanggang lahat ng negosyante na kakilala ko, natulungan ko at o-offeran ako ng ownership ng business. 16 companies, all not mine, offered stocks, shares. Pag yan ang puhunan mo, natuto ka araw-araw, gumaling ka araw-araw, hindi ka mawawalan. You know, may driver ako, 3 taon na siya sa akin. Kahit saan ako pumunta, nandun siya, nag-a-attend, nag-note, nag-learning. Yung sweldo niya sa akin, doble na. Tapos pinromote ko siya bilang personal assistant. Dahil ngayon nag-AI na, hindi marunong mag-Tagalog. Ay, hindi marunong mag-English. Pero magaling mag-English kasi ini-AI niya eh. O ngayon, PA na siya. Kasama ko sa abroad. Okay ba yon? Lahat posible. Ang tanong, willing ka bang mag-take time to max out your day and invest in your growth? And this is the start. You're here because you're introduced to this and never let go. Do you know what a bonsai is? Maganda tignan. May silbi, wala. Kaya palang buhay mo parang dekorasyon lang. It's a dekorasyon na buwisit dahil hindi namumunga or maganda lang tignan pero walang laman. Ask me why. Nasa isang paso ka lang na hindi ka nag-grow. Hindi ka nagkaroon ng bagong skills, kumulang ka sa experience, at hindi mo nilid yung sarili mo para palaguin. Again, guys, I'm speaking from a standpoint of a janitor, promodizer, salesman, sales supervisor, assistant manager, regional sales manager, sales director, to international key accounts manager taking care of 5 countries. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Up until today, at age 54, I am still learning. Just today, I woke up 3 o'clock. Isang oras na naman ako nag-aaral. Sige nga, sino yung mga nandito na umattend ng season 1? Raise your hand. Bago na naman bang ginawa ko or pareho lang to? Bukas iba na naman. Hindi ako magsasawa. Bakit? I take time to learn. I take time to grow. You know what the good news is? Every day, sasamahan namin kayo mag-grow. At hindi lang to lip service. May Zoom kami from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. Learning. Sino naka-attend na ng Zoom natin? Daming learning, walang learning. Huwag kang umabsent. At huwag ka lang makinig. Magbigay ka rin ng tulong. Okay din ba? Bigyan namin kayo ng mga materials na pwede yung pakinggan araw-araw? Lahat yan pamimigay namin, lahat yan libre. Buti na lang I attended my seminar like this at age 35. At age 35, I was very successful, but I was lost internally. When I attended this type of seminar, I was given tools and technique. You know what the good news is? Mamaya, lahat ng tools and technique na binigay sa akin, sila mismo ang iahain sa inyo. Palakpakan natin. Excited ba kayo? But are you willing to take time to grow yourself every day? The reason why you want to do this is simply because you want to come from what I call contribution, which means contribution / purpose / giving / blessing. Ibig sabihin, you do all of this not because you want to get money, but because you want to give. You want to serve. And that's the law of blessing. As you give, so shall you receive. And if you don't have much, ask me why. Because maybe your come from is not giving, it's from taking. Can you imagine, for the past 30 years, wala ko ibang ginawa kung hindi magtanim. Kaya hindi ako takot mawala negosyo. Ask me why. Yung mga tinanim ko 30 years ago hanggang ngayon namumunga. Kaya siguro takot ka maubusan ngayon kasi wala kang itinanim. Puro ka kuha. And this is a law. Whether you believe it or not, it's working. Parang law of gravity. Alam mo yung law of gravity? Whether alam mo siya or hindi, kusa siyang nangyayari. Yeah, be honest, be real. If you don't have much today, ask me why. You have not been growing yourself. Or maybe you've been growing yourself, but maybe this growth is all about because gusto kong makakuha, hindi ko gusto magbigay. 100% of my time right now is never about taking. It's all about giving. That's something I want you to think about. Maybe the reason why you're here is to remind you that our life is meant to be given away, but we need to start giving to ourselves first so we can give away to other people.